the hardest part of content creation is starting up your video. That's the intro. Tell me why I'm always finding it very difficult to say hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I can say that repeatedly up to 5 times and I'll still not be able to get it. Anyways, you guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be walking us through how to add behind the text effects to your videos, just like what is currently going on at the back of my videos, right? I'm going to be screen recording what I'll be doing on this phone. You guys will be seeing it on the screen. All right, we've started sharing, right? So I'm going to go ahead to open up my Capcut. I believe that you already have a sample of what you want to work with, either a video or picture. Go to new project and choose either the video or the picture you want to work with. So I'm just going to try to locate it. Yeah, this one right here. So I'm just going to import it onto my editing software. I like to edit my videos with this 1080 pixel and this 30 frame rate. So now that we've imported the video we're going to be working with, you click on your text here and then click on add text and this will pop up. So I would like all the letters I'm going to be using for this video to be in capital letter. If you like to work with small letters, you type it that way. So what I'm basically going to be typing here is add behind text. Yeah, this is what I want to work with. Then for my style, I'm going to be working with yellow. And then I'm going to go back to font. The font we currently have here is system, but I like to work with elegant. Or let's check out resolve, you guys. Currently I'm confused. I don't know if I should make use of elegant or I should make use of resolve. Okay, we're going to be making use of resolve. When you come to your style, you guys, you choose the size of your text. For me, I would like this text to be very bold, so I'm going to be increasing this to 18. The animation is basically how you want to introduce your text to your video. We have this fading, we have this typewriter. For me, I don't want to work with any animation, so I'm just going to come on here and click on none and then tick this good over here. I'm going to come to this text here and extend it till the end of the video. Delete this. I'm going to be extending this to the end of my video. So this is what we have here. Let's play this. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead and export this. This is currently exporting. So we're just going to wait for this to completely export and then we move to the next step. Now we have this exported and click on done. That has been saved on our gallery. So I'm just going to come to my gallery here and check out the video. So this is the video we just exported with the text on it, right? So I'm going to come back to Capcut, you guys. Click on this video that we worked on. This is the video we worked on that we just recently exported. Click on this text over here and then delete it. I'm going to delete this, you guys. Now the video we just exported, we're going to be importing this into the editing software. I'm going to choose it, then add. This is what we currently have here. And always remember to take this to your 1080 pixel, 30 frame rate, and then we are good. So what I'm going to be doing after this is what we just exported and this is the video without our text, right? So what I'm going to be doing here is to click on this video without text, scroll to where I'm going to be seeing overlay. When you click on overlay, now you can see the video without the text is underneath the one with the text. Basically what we're going to be doing here is click on this video again and then on this icon that has remove background, that's remove BG, we're going to just click on it and click on auto remover. This has been done, right? Now you guys can see on this list saying applying one feature. I'm going to click on this good, you guys. All right, background has been removed, right? So I'm going to play this video now so we can see. We have this right here. So what to do next is just click on your export and let this export onto your phone. We're just going to wait this to load up to 100% and then click on your done. Exit your editing software, then come over to your gallery, and this is the video, you guys. You can see this was the first one we exported. So you guys, this is as simple as ABC. I hope I was able to walk you through this. You're good to go. You'll be able to start adding your behind the text to your videos, right? Thank you guys so much for watching this video up to this moment. I really appreciate, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.